You've probably seen the latest Discord privacy headlines, but the real danger on Discord is rarely a public channel. It's quiet, it's private, it's DMs. Public spaces are watched, DMs aren't. This is not a panic video, this is a control video. Quick overview, so you know exactly what you're getting in this video. First, I'll show you why the real risk on Discord isn't public channels, it's DMs. Second, you'll hear a short personal example of how these conversations often start harmless and then turn into a trap. Third, I'll give you 5 red flags you can recognize instantly. And then we'll do the practical part, a fast DM lockdown with the exact settings that reduce spam, scams and unwanted contact. Important, the settings section is intentionally quick. If it feels too fast, stay until the end. I've linked a slower step-by-step walkthrough on the end screen where you can copy everything calmly. Public channels have friction, mods, logs, other people watching. DMs are private by design, and that privacy is exactly what bad actors want. If you're online late, headphones on, just trying to chill, you're not in the mood for drama. That's why DM attacks work so well. They don't look like attacks, they look like a normal conversation. Most of the time it's not hacking in the Hollywood sense, it's social engineering. They borrow your attention, they borrow your trust, and they try to borrow your account. There are 3 big categories you need to understand. First, scam DMs, free nitro, giveaways, verify your account, fake support. Second, account takeover attempts, links, QR codes, login to confirm. Third, manipulation attempts, building trust in private, pushing boundaries slowly. This is why DM safety matters. And now it's time for a personal story. Like you, I also had my first moments on Discord, and back then I never thought about blocking anyone or stopping access to my DMs, but that turned out to be a mistake. Here's an example for why. You get a random friend request, you say hi, you're talking with the person, and many days can pass. They can be very friendly, but some days later you can see the tone is changing. Did you know you have still lots of room to update your model? I'm a professional graphics designer and can make the model of your dreams. Look here for my portfolio, and of course guys, do not click here. We never know what's hidden behind that link. It's a person you don't know. So the safe thing to do is, we don't click here. Seriously, don't click here. Yeah, and this is what you're always confronted with. We realize this person is a scammer. With our safety settings, things will be easier from here on. Number 1, you go to the right, here, and you click on the friend button. What you're gonna do is remove friend, right? No, you're gonna click on more. And instead of removing the friend, you're saying, we're gonna block you effectively. You could even report the user profile if you'd like to. That's something that I would definitely recommend you to do if this person is seriously troubling. Help Discord keep the platform clean from every bot, scammer and predator. So you click on next, and then you can always decide what you're reporting. So if there's something that is very deeply troubling or even illegal, tick the appropriate box and report the user. If you don't want to report them, you can always block the person. Discord is explaining you what happens. Stop direct contact and limit what they view. Stop direct messages, you can unhide past messages if you want. Limit access to your profile and activity. They won't see your mutual friends, bio or status. They can interact with you in GDMs and servers. You can also have a lighter version of this and ignore the person instead. You get space from them without letting them know, because the moment you block a person, they will realize. This is the side of the scammer, the potential scammer, right? And this one is noticing you're not responding because we blocked them. But this is how it looks like if they want to ask you. I really mean it. I am very talented. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. They don't want to give up. They still want to scam you. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Your message could not be delivered. This is usually because you don't share a server with the recipient, or the recipient is only accepting direct messages from friends. You can see the full list of reasons here. This is the moment the person is realizing that you blocked them. The message is red, that literally means it was not delivered to the recipient. Yeah, and it is confirmed by Clyde. This is what you can do to protect yourself. Here are 5 red flags that cover most DM nonsense. Red flag 1, urgency. Do this now. You have 10 minutes. Final warning. Urgency is a shortcut around your judgment. Red flag 2. Authority impersonation. I'm Discord staff. I'm support. I'm a mod. Real support does not operate through random DMs. Red flag 3. Off-platform push. Add me on Telegram, download this, open this in your browser. They want you outside normal guardrails. Red flag 4. Links, files, QR codes. If you didn't ask for it, assume it's hostile. Even if it looks like a friend, because stolen accounts are used as bait. Red flag 5. Verification or money. Anything that tries to make you log in, scan, verify, trade, pay, or claim a reward is where people get burned. Now we do the useful part. I'm going to lock down Discord so strangers do not get instant private access to you. Step 1. Message requests. If someone you are not friends with messages you, Discord can filter it into a separate request folder. You approve it before you can actually chat. That is exactly what you want. You choose when a stranger becomes a conversation. Step 2 is the biggest win. Disable direct messages from server members by default. Sharing a server with someone should not mean they get private access to you. Discord lets you toggle server members' DMs in settings, and you can also change it per server. Do it globally first, then selectively allow it only on servers you genuinely trust. If your inbox ever feels like a public street, this is usually why. Step 3. Friend requests. Reduce your surface area. The fewer strangers who can add you, the fewer strangers can pull you into private threads. You want friction. Friction is safety. Step 4. Filters. Discord has direct message filters to reduce unwanted content. And there are also sensitive content filters that blur or block potentially sensitive image-based media, especially in DMs from non-friends. Even if you never see anything extreme, this matters because it prevents surprise content, which is a huge quality of life improvement. Here's the part most people miss. You need a default response that protects you without overthinking. Use a public checkpoint. If someone is from a server, ask them to speak in a public channel first. If they claim to be a staff or a mod, ask them to contact you through official server processes, not DMs. If they want to collaborate, ask for a clear, boring message with public references, not a random file. A legitimate person can handle light verification. A scammer will pressure you to skip it. When a suspicious DM lands, do not argue, do not troll, do not waste energy. Do 3 things. Report, block, move on. Attention is currency. Don't pay scammers with your attention. If the settings part in this video was too fast, click the video on the end screen now. That one is slower and calmer, and it walks you through the exact Discord settings step by step.